Daily markup for Euro USD 11th of July 2023. This is the daily chart and these are my zones. So the daily is extremely bullish. Of course, we've had a breakout structure, we've had a pullback, and now the price is pulling up. And for the last about 4 days, we see extremely bullish candles. We tapped into this supply zone over here. We got a nice reaction from there, and now after it came into these sell to buy wicks, there's been an extremely bullish reaction, and I expect now as a minimum for this high to be taken out because of this extreme bullish momentum that we are seeing currently. There could be a bit of a reaction still based on, there might be still some supply, so it could just kind of maybe do something like this and then perhaps go further up. But I definitely expect this low to go, in fact the daily swing high to go. So that's my reading as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the 4-hour, obviously the 4-hour is also extremely bullish. We've had a break of structure here, and after that we can expect a pullback to commence. However, for us to say that the pullback has commenced, we need to see a minimum of a bearish chalk followed by an internal break of structure. And to signify where the bearish chalk has happened, we'll obviously see a swing break of structure on the M15, and that's where multiple time frame analysis really helps us. So yes, the H4 is also extremely bullish. We've had a break of structure, and we can probably price comes down here and then continues further up. Are there any zones above this that are marked? Not really. This is the daily which has already been tapped into, so I'm not too concerned about that. But yes, I'm definitely expecting that this will go as I mentioned on the daily chart. If we look at the H1, there are some zones here, as we can see. So this is like a nested H1 inside the H4, where I'm expecting that probably price comes down here and then continues further, which could also signify the pullback on the H4. Moving on to the M15, this is where we are. Yesterday I had marked my M15 like this, and I'm also considering this as a break of structure, and after a break of structure we can expect the M15 to turn have a pullback. So it could pull back into, this is not a zone that I'm really interested in. It's just right in the middle of nowhere, doesn't really do much. This is also again something, it's in the middle of somewhere which is not very significant. So probably this is where I would expect price to come into, and in case the H4 pullback is going to start, we'll expect the M15 to turn bearish. That's what my reading is. So I'm expecting it's currently bullish. It might just pull into this zone and then come down over here, but of course we don't have, price doesn't really have to do anything that you think it might. We will not even react, but we will respond to what price does and wait and watch.